Good morning, third graders. It is Thursday, April 2nd, and we are going to continue with multiplying, except today we're multiplying money. There's not too much of a difference. The only thing that gets added into from what we've been doing with multiplying 3 and 4-digit numbers is by adding in the decimal point. So today our objective is to multiply money amounts to solve word problems. Learn by example says you can use what you know about multiplying whole numbers to multiply money. The word problem they're giving us is Gina and her brother are saving money to buy an ant farm. I'd rather buy a puppy farm. My students all know that. Together they save $2.25 each week for 3 weeks. How much money have Gina and her brother saved? So first of all, when you're looking at a word problem itself, it says the $2.25. You want to pull out the numbers. $2.25, and it says they were saving for a total of 3 weeks. They've set the problem down here up for us, $2.25 times 3. We're going to go ahead and make sure that we have the larger digit on top of the smaller digit. So we're going to say $2.25 times 3. Some people like to bring the decimal point down first. I wait till the end of my problem because I want to make sure sometimes our numbers shift when we multiply. And when you're multiplying with money, you should only have 2 digits behind the decimal point, okay? So 3 times 5 is 15. You're going to put your 1 down here. Carry your 1. 3 times 2 is 6. We can't forget the 1 that we carried over, which is 7. And 3 times 2 is 6. And like I said, you should only have 2 digits behind the decimal spot. So I'm going to bring my decimal down, and your answer should be $6.75. We're going to go ahead and do a couple more problems together. In our practice book, they give us a problem, in our hard book, they give you a second example, and they have $10.78. If you want to work this one with me, go ahead and get scratch paper or use the app if you have one on your iPad, times 4. Again, if you're comfortable, you can bring the decimal point down, but just remember only 2 digits should go behind it. 4 times 8 is 32, so you're going to place your 2 down there and carry your 3. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 3 more should be 31. And 4 times 0 is 0, but you cannot forget the 3 that you have up there, so you bring down the 3. And 4 times 1 is 4. Now I'm going to remember my decimal spot. I need to have 2 after it, 2 behind it. And I'm going to put my dollar sign, and I should have $43.12. So like I said, multiplying money is really not any different than what we did yesterday with the 3 and 4-digit numbers. You just have to remember, bring down your decimal point, put your money sign on there. We're going to go ahead and look at a couple problems that are on your homework page together, and then I'll have you do the rest on your own. So let's look at number 3. On your homework page, which should be $3.66 times 2. You already have it written out. If you want to work it ahead of me and see if you can beat me to the answer, go for it. And then we'll see if we did it right. You're going to multiply your 2 times your 6 in the ones place. So 2 times 6 is 12. Put your 2 and carry your 1. 2 times 6 again is 12, but you have to add in your carryover number. So then now it's 13. Carry your 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the 1 more is 7. We don't want to forget our decimal point. We've got the 2 numbers after. We're going to put our decimal point there. And you should get $7.32. Good job, guys. The next problem, I want you to go ahead and start working it before I even get it on the board, is $4.01 times 6. This is number 8. I want you to go ahead and work it. Or if you want to pause the video, you can always pause the video. So you have $4.01 times 6. So here we're going to look at the ones digit first again. You have 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 0 is 0. And 6 times 4 is 24. And since there's no number to carry over, you just put the 24 down here. Bring down your decimal point after the 2 digits. And you should get $24.06. Good job, guys. Again, if you have any questions with your problems, feel free to email your teachers. We want you to do all the problems on your page 21.4, lesson 21.4, your word problems on the back as well. If you ever have any issues, just email us. Look forward to hearing you guys. Can't wait to see you guys again. Happy Thursday.